Good morning, class 5. Today we'll do the word wall of the lesson, the big friendly giant. Now, the word wall means that you will be adding more vocabulary words and you will be able to find out more words through this exercise. Now, we just read a story about a giant. Now, use the clues given on the next page to discover more words that end with ant. An ant, that is a very, very big man. It is a giant. Giant, giant. And the next exercise will be, now tell me an ant word that describes how you breathe when you run too long. Yes, when you run too long, how you breathe? You breathe very fast, and that is called pant. P-A-N-T, pant. Pant doesn't mean your pair of pants. No, pant means half na. So when you breathe for a very long time and when you run too long, it is called P-A-N-T, pant. Okay. Now, an ant word that means far away. This is a very easy word. You can always make it distant. Okay. The next word is an ant that is a very large animal. I will not tell you this. You all know the word. An ant word that tells us that instead of cutting trees, we should dash them. Ant word. Again, you know this word. So please fill these words in your book on page 96. Now you have OUS words. Marvelous. Marvelous means very excited, very good, excellent thing. Enormous, very large, very big, mysterious, very secret. They are all words that end with the letters OUS. You can see in the end, it is OUS coming at the end of the letters. Now, each of the sentences given below has a jumbled words in brackets. Sort it out and use it to complete the sentence. The first one has been done for you. Is this disease contagious? Contagious means infectious. Contagious means infectious. Everybody crowded around the dash actor, wanting to shake hands with him. Everybody crowded around her. Now, Amitabh Bachchan is a very fey. I will not give you the word, you know. It's a very fey OUS ending. Which word will come here? You have to write down. My grandmother is an adventurous lady who loves traveling to new places. Adventurous. Now, just correct these jumbled words. You will get the word adventurous because she likes to travel to new places. My brother is very studious. He always finishes his homework before going out to play. Dinosaurs were, yes, they were enormous beasts. Enormous means very large. That word is given right up after marvelous. You can write enormous beasts. Beast means animal, much larger than any animals we can see today. She wants to head a large company one day. She is very ambitious. Yes, ambitious. So children, write all these words ending with OUS in these fill-ups. And the next is grammar time. Now, what is here? Now, in this grammar time, there is an adjective. And what is an adjective? That is a word that tells you something about a noun or a pronoun. I am the friendly big giant. The big friendly giant, I think, needs some help with this. Now, whether it should be a friendly big giant or a big friendly giant. Big should always come first. Friendly big giant doesn't sound good. So a big pehle aaya, friendly giant. Now read the following groups of words. A vast underground cavern. A vast means very badi, और underground मतलब जो बहुत underground थी. Cavern. Cavern is a, I told you, cavern is a cave. A lovely red glow. So the italicized words in the examples above are adjectives. So lovely and red are adjective and vast and underground are adjective. Okay. Now, in the next page, if you see, there is a table. When we use more than one adjective, suppose in a sentence there are more than one adjective. So to describe something, it is often difficult to decide which one to place first. Now, which adjective to come first and which later on, it is difficult to find out. So hence, a table to help you place the adjectives in their right order. I want a observation or opinion. What do you notice or think? I want a large square white envelope. Size will come first, shape will come after the size, and old or new will come after that, color will come after that, and what is the thing that will come at the end? I like wearing my warm new woolen coat. Now look at that sweet juicy red apple. My grandmother has a small, size always comes first, round Swiss clock. These rules are not absolute. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ये एक पहले एडजेक्टिव यही लगेगा, but they are the order can sometimes be different. So we sometimes prefer to put a short adjective before a long one. Example, the big friendly giant. Now here the big is a shorter adjective and friendly is a longer adjective. So you first put the short adjective, then you put the longer one. Notes. Equal adjectives should be separated by commas. Now if there are equal adjectives, they should be separated by commas. Like the big friendly will not be separated by commas because big is a small adjective and friendly is a long adjective. My grandmother is a strong, wise lady. Strong and wise are equal adjectives, so they belong to the same category, observation or opinion. Now, put a tick against that adjectives in the correct order. Now, Persian juicy orange melons. No. Juicy orange Persian melons or Persian orange juicy melons. So, juicy should always come first because it is an observation. Orange is a color which will come later. Okay, juicy orange Persian. कहाँ के हैं Persian melons? So second one will be the right option. Now in B, a large square earthen flower pot. Large size will come first. Square shape will come after that. Earthen, कैसा flower pot है? Earthen. तो B का first option will be the right. Now in C, a tattered means फटा हुआ. Tattered means purana. A tattered old plastic red umbrella. A tattered old red plastic umbrella. Old के बाद red आएगा. Old के बाद plastic नहीं आएगा. Plastic कैसी umbrella है? Plastic की umbrella है. तो plastic will always come at the end. Red will come in the in between. You can see the table and you can do that. So old is also an adjective. Tattered is also an adjective. Red is also an adjective and plastic is also an adjective. So you can see so many adjectives coming together. So you have to place it properly. Now in D, a bright cotton blue t-shirt. A bright blue cotton t-shirt. Okay, because blue color has to come first. You can see. Then cotton has to come at the end. So the option second is correct. Now in this, rewrite the sentences using the adjectives given in brackets. Be sure to use the correct order. Now A, B, C and D, you have to do it in your grammar copy. So please do this question in your grammar copy and submit it by today. Okay. So the woman bought that house. The woman bought that square grey stone house. So square will come first because the shape has to come first. You can see the table. Grey is a color which should come at the later half. And how is a house? Stone house. Stone will come at the end. We saw a butterfly in the garden. We saw an African beautiful observation पहले है, और we saw a beautiful African or a beautiful yellow African butterfly in the garden. A beautiful yellow, okay, African butterfly in the garden. Okay, we are having ice cream. We are having a delicious pink strawberry ice cream. Delicious strawberry pink नहीं, delicious pink strawberry ice cream. Ali is wearing a large new straw hat. Okay, children, so do this, all four of these in your classwork grammar copy, and submit this work. It will be nice because we'll be finishing this chapter by the next video, and we'll be doing one poem and 3 poems will be coming in your final exam. Let us see how you do it. So children, just finish these 2 pages. They are very interesting, and I hope you like the lesson, The Big Friendly Giant. Please read it. We shall be taking a live class maybe on Friday in the morning, and we will be doing it later on. Okay.